There's a phase that nobody talks about. Not the struggle, not the grind, not the chaos. The phase where you've been doing everything right, but nothing seems to be happening. No feedback, no validation, no visible progress, just silence. And this is where most people break, because humans are wired for reaction. We expect effort to trigger reward, work to trigger response. But real progress doesn't work like that. The most important work happens in silence, when the inputs are correct, but the outputs just haven't shown up yet. This is the part where consistency feels pointless, where discipline feels boring, where just even showing up, you feel invisible. And that's exactly why it's rare. Anyone can work when there's excitement. Anyone can push when there's momentum. Anyone can stay consistent when there's applause. But almost nobody can keep going when there's nothing happening. No dopamine, no milestones, no reassurance, just routine, just repetition, just faith in a process you can't see yet. This is where most people start changing things. They switch plans, they chase stimulation, they go a different business route, not because the plan failed, but because silence made them uncomfortable. At the end of the day, silence exposes impatience. It exposes insecurities. It exposes the need to be seen and validated. And if you can't tolerate quiet progress, you'll never compound anything meaningful. The truth is very simple. Boring work builds real outcomes. Quiet consistency builds leverage. Delayed rewards separate builders from consumers. Empires are built on quiet victories, silently stacked. So if nothing seems to be happening right now, it doesn't mean you're behind. It usually means you're exactly where growth happens, in the trenches, putting in the work, unseen. So don't rush it. Don't announce it. Don't look for proof. People don't always need to know what you're doing, what you're working on, or where you've been, or even where you're going, for that matter. Just keep showing up for you, for your future. Because when results finally do appear, they arrive all at once. And by then, you won't need to explain anything.